Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about homophones. Homophones. Definition: words with same sounds and different meanings. Homophones. Stationary. Stationary. Allowed. Allowed. Pair. Pair. Lesson. Lesson. Desert. Desert. Two. 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 Bold. Bold. Ceiling. Ceiling. Compliment. Compliment. Principal. Principal. Tide. Tide. Sailor. Sailor. There. There. Tail. Tail. Pray. Pray. Allowed. Allowed. Break. Break. Night. Night. Right. Right. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.